I've never done this before. Never. I sincerely hope that no one is watching me right now, because it would be really embarrassing. But I think it's recording. Anyway, my name is Kevin and I'm from Sweden, and I drive a BMW F32. It's a 4-cylinder engine and it's a 428i, so it's 2015 model, and this is basically it. I bought this car like maybe a year ago, maybe a little bit over a year, and basically during the winter me and a friend built it a little bit. We put on BC coilovers and custom exhaust system on it, and a little bit extra basically. And I always wanted to start with YouTube and like do a YouTube channel and stuff. I always watched many car YouTubers like TG Hunt, Dustin Williams, Elevated Media, rocking his shirt right now actually. And I always followed many car people on Instagram and etc. And I always wanted to do something like that. I always wanted to do videos and share them, and then also have a platform on them so I can save them and for everyone to watch. Because hold on, I just need to sit down a little. Because the thing is that me and my friends are always doing stupid stuff, and like stancing this car. Sorry, I don't really have any videos on it, but I got a bunch of pictures of it, and I think I missed out a little bit on that. I always wanted to film the whole journey from when you bought the car to when you doing all the changes on it and to the final product, but now I just have the final product here, and that's basically why I'm starting with YouTube, because I want to capture all the moments with car related stuff, and then I guess I'll just have to post them on YouTube and share it with everyone basically. I think that's a pretty good explanation. That's basically what I hope on doing. Walking around in Sweden, speaking English to a camera, it's weird. It's weird. It's not weird for me, a little bit weird for me, but people look and they go like, what the fuck is he doing? Like, he's going over there and speaking English to a camera. What is he? Even though it's that's it. I'll try to upload another video maybe around next week or something. I'll hope to maybe go to a car meet or something, and we can drive up the car. If nothing else, I'll just say like, welcome to my channel, and I hope you hang around. Thank you.